Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Cayman door panel. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a set of plastic trim removal tools to prevent scratching your interior. Also, a Torx bit set is crucial, specifically T30 and T20 sizes for the various fasteners. Having a small flathead screwdriver can also be helpful for prying small caps. Remember to work carefully and protect your car's finish with a soft cloth or tape. Next, we'll begin by removing the trim pieces that conceal the mounting screws. Start by gently prying off the small plastic cover located at the outer edge of the door panel using your plastic trim tool. Then, locate the small cap behind the interior door handle and carefully remove it to reveal a Torx screw. Finally, detach the small triangular trim piece near the side mirror, prying from its bottom edge and sliding it upward. With the trim pieces removed, you can now access the main fasteners. You will find several Torx screws, primarily T30, in the locations you just uncovered and along the panel's perimeter. Remove all of these screws. Once the screws are out, use a larger plastic pry tool to gently release the door panel's retaining clips, starting from the bottom edge. After all clips are free, lift the entire panel straight up to disengage it from the window channel. Before completely removing the panel, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. Carefully unclip all wiring harnesses for the window switches, speakers, and any other integrated lights or modules. Also, detach the door handle cable mechanism. Typically, this involves pinching a clip and sliding the cable out. For reinstallation, reverse these steps, ensuring all electrical connections are secure and the panel clips align properly before pressing it firmly into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.